Alright guys, so if this was to be your University of Lagos post-UTME exam question, look at it though. How do you solve it in under 2 minutes? Now, the first thing you do is that you scream blood of Jesus, because of this question can take your time if you make just one single mistake. Now, follow me carefully. Now, it says, first step, you write out solution and then you do what? You divide the board. Now, the next thing is what? You read the question. P varies directly as what? As the square of x. Now, note, the expression, the formula for solving a variation question is always in what? In the first sentence. That is before the next full stop. Yes, so that's it. So P varies what? Directly as the square of x. That means P varies what? Directly as the square of x. And inversely what? As the cube root of y. That means inversely again as the what? Cube root. That means to the third root here. Let me clean this one. That is, this is here. They now said if P is equal to 32, when x is 4 and y is equal to 8, find your k. So yes, we have to what? Write our expression. This one is same as saying what? P is equal to what? Kx square over what? The cube root of what? Of y. That is it. Now let's solve. When P is this, x is this, and then y is this. Oh yeah, let's go. So now putting everything in the equation, we have what? 32 is equal to what? K. What's our x? X is 4. So 4 squared over what? Over the cube root of what? Of y, which is what? 8. Cube root of what? Of 8. Now, this gives us what? Immediately, please, without wasting time, just what? Cross multiply. So this one will go and multiply this one. So we'll be having what? 32 times, what's the cube root of 8? It is what? It is 2. Because 2 is power 3 is what? Is 8. So we now move on.